stringy slime, gooey slime, even edible slime. At Crafty Hackers, we've got ways to make slime that you're going to love. New here? Hit that notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. And if you love slime as much as we do, give us a thumbs up for this video. Let's play, shall we? Shaving cream slime. Did you know you can make slime from shaving cream? All you need is glue, contact solution, shaving cream, baking soda, and food coloring. Pour some glue into a dish. Add shaving cream and food coloring and stir. Sprinkle in some baking soda and the final ingredient to make the slime congeal, contact solution. Spray some in and mix it together. Keep adding small amounts of baking soda and contact solution until you get the consistency you want. Add more glue if you need to. You can be your own chemist. Add more food coloring and glue until you're satisfied with the slime. When you can pick it up, you know it's ready. The shaving cream makes the slime silky and fun to play with. Watch it ooze through your fingers. Slimetastic. Laundry detergent slime. Let's add a little sparkle to our slime. Squeeze some white glue into a bowl and add a bit of food coloring. Glitter is always a bonus when you're making slime. You can never have too much. You can use different colors of glitter too. Now add a couple spoonfuls of laundry detergent. Stir it all together. Let's throw a little more glitter in there. Keep stirring. Add baking soda to thicken the mixture. Experiment with your own slime. Pink glitter is cool. Let's mix it in too. Add some star confetti to really make it sparkle. Now it's starting to thicken. Keep adding baking soda until it's the consistency you like. Time to play! You can make it really stretchy. Look at all those stars. Magnetic slime. This slime is gonna blow your mind. First, pour some glue into a bowl. Next, sprinkle in some iron oxide. Add a little bit of laundry soap and stir. Sprinkle in some more iron oxide and keep stirring. Iron oxide powder will cause this slime to be magnetic. Add some baking soda. You can also add some glitter for more fun. At this point, the slime should be starting to thicken. For this to work, you'll need a strong magnet. A neodymium magnet has a much stronger force field and is made of different materials, which is why it works with the iron oxide powder. Check this out. If you hold metal near it, it moves. You can even make it dance a little. Pretty cool, right? Glow-in-the-dark slime. What could be better than glow-in-the-dark slime? Here's how to make it. Pour some white glue into a bowl, add a little bit of laundry soap, sprinkle in some baking soda. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Now you're gonna kick this up a notch by adding some phosphorescent gel. That's what makes the slime glow. Squeeze a bit of the gel into your slime mixture. Stir it up and allow it to thicken. Let's add more of the gel. Once it's the right consistency, the real fun starts. Turn out the lights and watch it glow. So trippy. Make as many designs as you want. Edible slime. we saved the best for last. How about a slime that you can eat? You're going to need gummy bears for this. Lots of gummy bears. Put them in a container and add a couple spoonfuls of cornstarch. Then add some powdered sugar. Heat up the mixture in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Stir the mixture together. To make it thicker, add a bit more of the cornstarch. It's starting to look like slime. Now, sprinkle some cornstarch onto a surface and spread it around. It will make the slime less sticky. Pull out your slime and set it on the surface. Add more cornstarch on top of the slime. It should be thick enough to play with after that. Go crazy. Pull little pieces off and roll them into little balls. And the best part about this slime? You can eat it. Yum. And that's 5 ways to make slime. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Please subscribe to our channel for more hacks. See you later.